Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is my TootsieToy box. I see a few dragsters. I don't have a whole lot of these, but I am searching through my limited inventory for something suitable. There's a couple of pickup trucks. There's a COE. Another hauler. That looks like an opal to me. Oh, score. That's a Porsche 911. You ever seen one this small? The search ends here. Let's check this one out. This is exactly what I want for today. Not a lot of details, but unmistakably a 911. It's got some telltale signs of being play-worn. There you can see Tootsie Toy stamped on the inside of the roof. That means metal body, no windows, no interior, 2 axles, and 4 wheels. This is as simple as it gets. I'm going to work with this one as my entry to the Diecast International Builders 4th annual tribute to our dear and departed friend Scott Opa Koster. We called him the TootsieToy King because these were his specialty. The total disassembly involves removing the wheels. To do that, I'm severing the axles with a cutting disc on my rotary tool. But I've never seen this style of wheels on a Tootsie Toy. They're 7.5 millimeters in size, and I'd like to swap them out, but the smallest I've got are these monoblock wheels, and they're 9.4. I'm going to have to print a set of 8 millimeter Fuchs style wheels, which are period correct for this era of 911. A slightly larger size like this should also fill in the wheel wells, and I'm going to adjust the ride height when I put it all back together. Let's see how tough the Tootsie Toy paint is. I brush on my regular stripper inside and outside. Well, that blisters up as we thought it might, and pretty quickly too, for an easy wipe down. Same die cast as a regular Hot Wheels or Matchbox. Same need for a little bit of bare metal detail, so I'll use this tightly spun wire attachment and just take off any of the flashing that's left behind after the paint comes off. Pretty good, except for these horrible casting lines right across the sides of the doors. That won't do. So I'll file them down by hand. We'll have a much cleaner model to work with. Much better. I hope you'll come back for some more visits to my channel. The June theme for the Four Horsemen is a barn find, and I'm doing my 5th annual Canada Day Invitational. You're invited to join in on both of those. There's a couple more restorations and custom jobs that are coming up. I think it's a pretty good mix and variety. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, and why not get all subbed up It's free of charge. I shot my 911 in a matte black primer. One more look over to make sure it's free of any flaws. I decided to go with Vallejo Premium Silver straight into my airbrush. There's no mixing, no thinner needed. Test it out on a spoon. Got a little bit of a metallic fleck in it, which is just what I want. So on it goes. Today I'm using a Gaahleri GHAD 68 with a 0.5mm needle in it, which is just right for this job. Couple of tack coats and then a top coat, and I pop it into the dehydrator for a couple of hours. If you want to up your airbrushing game, then follow my affiliate link in this video description and receive 10% off of any order from the Gaahleri inventory. Today's community shoutout goes to 164 Diecast Drags on Instagram. Again, the link is in the description, so you can visit at your convenience, get all subbed up, and make a new friend in the Diecast community. There's not a lot of room on my little Tootsie Toy, but I want to go with the stock Porsche door decals. I thought red on silver would look sharp, but it just didn't stand out well enough, so off it comes. And I'll work my way around to the whale tail and put a 911 Turbo S badge right there. Black on silver, easy to read. A microscopic Porsche hood badge right down at the end of the nose. Cannot miss that detail. And I went back and reprinted the door decals in black. That's better. I took care of the engine vent and the whale tail by hand painting them with some black, carefully following the casting lines. And here are my printed wheels. Sprayed them in chrome. And I go around the outside for the rubber appearance. These are 8mm. They're just a little bit bigger than the 7.5s that originally were on there, and I'm going to lower the car just a bit. This is how it should sit. Let's have a closer look and see what I did. That's unmistakably a 911, isn't it? Beautiful metallic silver paint job. It's monochromatic now, just with a couple of black highlights. I had to put new axles in to hold the wheels. There's no window still, there's no interior. I didn't add anything. I just dressed it up a little bit. It's a great roller. And it's a job finished. I didn't even know Tootsie Toy made a tiny little Porsche like this, but I'm sure glad they do because it's the perfect car for my Opa tribute, which I hope is befitting his memory. 5 years ago, Opa was among the very first community members to take me in and recognize my work and encourage me. He was among my first 25 subscribers, and we developed a good online friendship. This Porsche video was dedicated to his enduring memory. Look at the different sizes I've got. 1 to 24, 1 to 36, 1 to 43, 1 to 64, and the TootsieToy. Porsche looks good in any size, doesn't it? Thanks so much for visiting my channel today for this special build. Come on back soon and often. It's coffee time.